Hello, this is Chadwick in Muscovine or Austin. I recorded this with a screen recorder, launched the recorder to screen. I want to share with you two websites. One of them is redirect.com, and there's a few things you can do with it. You can redirect traffic to a URL address generated by redirect. In this case, it would be bagging column ia.nation.xyz. And you could buy a domain that has traffic and forward it, or try to use some kind of traffic software, or just buy traffic and send it to the domain. It's pretty cool. I paid out once on redirect. It was $100, and so it's pretty cool. That was quite a while ago. This one I like. It's called traffic2bitcoin, and refresh it and see what it does here. 6 Satoshi, and with this one you can earn Bitcoin through this link, traffic2bitcoin.com, and my signature handle, cchadwicka. Put that in the link description. It also has some banners, so it's a pretty cool little website. It's been around for a while. Another cool thing about it is I can send micro payments to Faucet. So that's pretty cool. So this is my CryptoTab browser, and I have 836 Satoshi. Pretty cool. Do visit redirect.com. It also has domain parking where you can use your own domain. In my case, free software is for pc.com. And I forwarded, anyway, so it's domain parking, so it shows ads and things for redirect. That's all I have for you today. Please like, comment, and watch my other videos too. Cheerio.